Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. I'm in front of the 2-in-1 removable Agitator Whirlpool washer. This is model WTW5057LW. And what's cool about this, right at the onset, glass top. So the glass top, you can see what's going on inside the machine. There's really no need to lift that lid to see what is going on. You can actually watch it as it's agitating safely. Now, one thing I want to point out, on all new machines, this door is going to lock. So this lid is going to lock. So in order to get into this, you have to hit the pause button, and then you'll hear this click and unlock. It's a little bit of information. But as we look inside, you're going to notice stainless steel tub, nice large stainless steel tub. But really the big feature on this machine is this spiral type agitator that will just pop off if we need to use a bigger load. So if you've got, let's say, a comforter or bedding and you need that extra space, the agitator is going to pop off. Now, if you have very dirty clothes or you have clothes that have some stains, we can go ahead and put the agitator back on. And what we do is we lift up on the lid, or on the handle, excuse me, towards the lid, and then we just lock it in place. So really all it is squeeze the handle and lift off, keep the handle depressed, and then it locks back in place. And there's two arrows to kind of show you what happens as well. So depress, turn, lift off. Put back on, press, let go. So it's really easy to use. In terms of cycles on this machine, pretty straightforward. When you turn on the power, you're going to select what fabric you want, okay? And then temperature gets pre-selected, but you can manually change that as needed. You can add an extra rinse or a fabric softener option. Now, this has a deep water option. So the biggest complaints on these energy efficient washers is the fact that there's not enough water in the bottom. And now that we have a glass lid, we can see how much water is in there. So if you need to have more water, just make sure that the deep water is selected. And then all you need to do is put your detergent in and hit the hold to start. Now there's one other option on this, which is called the Faucet option. And the Faucet option is kind of cool because when you select that, you can put your clothes right underneath here, and that will help with stain removal. So all it is just a little bit of water coming in, going over top of whatever garment you have, and it's great to kind of get stains out. So that's a pretty cool option. But this is the Whirlpool 2-in-1 agitator model. With or without the agitator, it's removable. If you have any questions about this or any other machine, go to donsappliances.com. Comment below. Let us know how we're doing on these videos. Let us know if there's something you want us to do a video on. We'd love to hear you.